Yo, what is going on, guys? Air124 here, bringing us another video. Now this video is gonna be short because I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my music off my phone, guys. So it's really easy and simple. All you need is Voloco. So just go to the app store and download it. It's got the V logo and stuff like that. I don't know if it's available for Android, but for sure it's available for iOS, so just go download it. But either way, guys, once you open it up, you're gonna have your beat loaded up right here. So I get my beats from YouTube, so if you guys want to see a video on how to transport or get beats from YouTube to Voloco, then just let me know and I will do a video on that. But either way, guys, this is what you see, guys. The settings, the beat. So you got your key right here, your effects, you got your mix. So this is like how much you want the volume to be, and then you got your compressor and the reverb. So I basically use the default settings. Like, I barely use any of these special effects and stuff like that. I do sometimes use auto tune, but one of the effects that I also do use is large hall. So this is how it sounds like, but I never use any of these other special effects. So yeah, I might just put it to default for now. But I do have the not the song, but like the beat loaded up. So I might just start recording and I might just let you guys hear it and see how it sounds. So yeah. So I don't want to ear rape you guys, so I don't know how, like, if I want to turn all of this down, like the track, or I don't know, guys, but here we go. Just in the bag, you know I'ma run it. Spraying that bullets, you know I'ma rock it. My turn to teach for all of the violence. Don't know the streets, you people be violent. Alright, guys, I did kind of mess up at the end, but I wasn't even trying, guys. I wasn't even trying to get on beat, but because this is just for a video, guys. But if you guys don't know, this beat right there that you guys just listened to is one of my albums that I just made a song. So guys, just stay tuned for the album. I don't know when it's dropping. I'm still working on it. But either way, guys, I might just let you guys hear like the recording right here. I'm not gonna be talking over it because you guys won't be able to hear me because of the track and like the vocals. So I'll just talk to you guys once the recording's done. So yeah. So I don't want to ear rape you guys, so I don't know how, like, if I want to turn all of this down, like the track, or I don't know, guys, but here we go. Just in the bag, you know I'ma run it. Spraying that bullets, you know I'ma rock it. My turn to teach for all of the violence. Don't know the streets, you people be violent. Alright, guys, so as you guys can see, I did mess up right there. But either way, guys, once you get done recording, it's going to take you right here. And then you guys can hit next, and that will basically just save it. Or you guys can just mess around with, like, your volume, like the vocals and stuff. If you guys want to turn it all the way up or down, you guys can do that. You guys can add some effects to it. You guys can change the key. And you guys can just basically do anything with the settings right there. But that is it for the video, guys. I just wanted to show you guys how I make my music just by using my phone, guys. It's really simple. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. But if you guys enjoyed and want more, drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe, guys, because we're on the road for 2,000 subscribers, guys. So we're on the road for the 2K. But yeah, guys, what else do I have to say? Oh yeah, again, stay tuned for the album, guys. I'll let you guys know when it's dropping. So yeah, no further ado, peace out.